The cloak of prophecy is marking the last hours of this world. So, how should we live in such a time like this? How should we work and invest, knowing that a huge crisis lies just ahead? Because Noah walked with God, he was informed about an impending global crisis, which would also cause the loss of all material things and the death of all flesh, except Noah and his family. This was Noah's present truth, and its acceptance or rejection would determine Noah's destiny. If homes, properties, and other assets were to be destroyed, how could one avoid or minimize the loss? Noah received instructions to work in God's plan of salvation. The enormous task required him to put a pause on his projects and invest all his time and resources into God's plan. As a wise businessman, Noah understood that by doing so, he would be able to transfer all his assets to another world and save his family. Noah acted by faith. He gave the world an example of believing just what God says. All that he possessed, he invested in the ark. But when the door of the ark was opened after the flood, he was the only landowner of the world. God's children never suffer real loss. Therefore, Noah built an altar and presented an offering, thanking God for protection. Now is our time. Our present truth is the three angels' messages. As in the time of Noah, we are invited to live by faith. These messages also imply the loss of everything and everyone who will worship the beast and receive his mark. Therefore, we are told now to invest all we have in warning every nation, tribe, tongue, and people, inviting them with a loud voice, saying, "Fear God and give glory to Him, for the hour of His judgment has come, and worship Him who made heaven and earth, the sea and springs of water." Extreme times require radical measures. By investing your all in God's work, your means is far safer than if deposited in a bank or invested in houses and lands. Now is the time to put our desires last and God first.